Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. If you're looking for a fast and convenient way to charge your phone or your AirPods, I could not recommend this wireless charging pad enough by Yootech. This charging pad is small. You can bring it with you anywhere. Let's say you're traveling, just throw it in your bag. And it's so convenient. I love that you can charge different devices like your phone or your AirPods with it, and it gives it a fast charge. You simply plug in the USB to another USB port or a cube, and here we have a mini USB connection right on the side of this, and that's really it. It's simple to use, it's straightforward, and I also like that the light turns green when it's charging. That way you know you're good to go. So if you're looking for a very affordable wireless charging pad, definitely check this one out, and that's my point of view.